World's worst natural disasters. Over the course of time that the world has been here, there have been a variety of different natural disasters. Some of them have really made history, because of their devastating, long-lasting effects. The problem is that natural disasters are not over. They will continue to occur, and most of them occur with little to no warning. Even if you do get some warning, you don't know the epic proportions that it can reach. Here are a few of the world's worst natural disasters that you may want to be aware of, because if history has proven anything, it is that it can repeat itself. Be prepared for disaster, because you never know when it can strike. After all, you are sure to find that most of these disasters were not something that people thought would ever happen to them. 1. Haiti earthquake of 2010. First, we will take a look at the Haiti earthquake of 2010. This is one of the more recent natural disasters. It had a magnitude of 7.0, which is one of the strongest earthquakes the world has ever seen. It rocked Haiti, and left aftershocks that were felt by many. They had over 200,000 deaths, and millions were left homeless and in need of emergency assistance. 2. Hurricane Katrina of 2005. Hurricane Katrina was one of the most deadly earthquakes that hit the Gulf Coast in years. It was actually the 6th strongest earthquake that has ever hit in the United States. There was a lot of people that lost their lives, and there were also a lot of damages. In fact, there were over $81 billion in damages that had to be repaired after this hurricane. It left devastating effects. 3. Hurricane Andrew of 1993. Hurricane Andrew was another hurricane that hit the United States and really left its mark. It was considered to be the 5th worst hurricane to hit the U.S., ranking right there above Hurricane Katrina. It left massive destruction, causes a lot of deaths, and also had billions of dollars in property damages to be considered. 4. Tohoku earthquake and tsunami. This was an earthquake that hit Japan in 2011, and it had a magnitude of 9. That makes it one of the strongest quakes to ever hit the country. In fact, it is the strongest that was ever recorded in their history. This quake left millions dead, injured or missing, and it also destroyed a whole lot of buildings and even caused a disaster that could have led to nuclear disaster. The tsunami waves as high as 23.6 meters, 77 feet, were triggered, which touched Japan within minutes of the earthquake. 5. Tsunami of 2011. A powerful earthquake with magnitude of 9.0 hit coast of Sumatra on December 26, 2004 Sunday at 0:58 UTC, triggering tsunamis that swept through the coastal regions of a dozen countries bordering the Indian Ocean. It killed almost 225,000 to 275,000 people in 14 countries, with the hardest hit country being Indonesia, followed by Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. It made waves as high as 30 meters, 100 feet, and is said to be one of the deadliest disasters in recorded history.